Hi, I am Dr. Sid, practicing dentistry at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Today I will tell you about the hygiene maintenance of your braces treatment. After getting your braces treatment, you need to take care of your teeth as well as your gums. So how to take care of it? I will show you the video of how to brush and floss your teeth after getting the treatment. In this video, how to brush and floss your braces, I will show you. Use your brush in this circular motion so all the food particles around your brackets get clean. This upward and downward of your braces. Now make this 45-degree angle to your braces with your brush and clean the brush in this motion back and forth so all the food particles between your brackets get cleaned. Now you can use a Proxa brush to clean in between surface of your brackets. This is called Proxa brush. You can use floss to clean food particles get stuck between your teeth. In the upper one, you can use this downward motion like this, and in the lower one, you can use this upward motion with the floss. Now after this, what all food you can eat with the braces on? You should avoid any hard and sticky food. Hard food like pizza, apple, etc. and sticky foods like chewing gum, chocolates, etc. So you should avoid this type of foods. And after you get the braces, if any braces get loosened up or it came out, don't worry, keep it aside and take the appointment in the next possible day with your orthodontist. He will correct it, don't worry. So that's all for today. Please like and share our videos, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get such dental information regularly. Thank you.